And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. Since I've forgotten how many heart health videos I've posted already, I'm going to call this Heart Health Update July 2021. I just got back from the hospital about an hour and 10 minutes ago. Been here just long enough to drop my stuff and watch Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop live stream for this morning. I missed it. I was in the hospital. They didn't offer me a tablet and some Wi-Fi, so anyway, I came home and watched it on the big screen. Sunday, I had to go to emergency because of cardiac situation. I was there all night till 11 in the morning. Then they flew me. Yeah, they put me in the helicopter and they took me to the St. Helena Hospital. I've made that trip in the hospital to the hospital in the helicopter 3 times before, but it was at night. So all you can see is the little itty bitty cars on the highway until you get over the Mount St. Helena Palisades, and the hospital's lights are right over here. And the helicopter will go. During the day, it's scary. You can see just how high you are, and you can see how rough the ground is down there. And if you know anything about helicopters, if they lose power, they can auto-rotate. If they find a place big enough, the pilot said tennis court. I didn't see anything. Flat tennis court size between Clear Lake and Deer Park. Okay, so I get there and they said, don't give me breath. Took me to the cath lab and they did an angiogram. And the doctor insisted on twilighting me, so I don't know how or why, but the first closure, the coiled collagen closure, didn't take. Neither did the new style, which, unless they've changed it again, is sort of a clamping. That didn't take. So the technicians in the cath lab had to, you can imagine me putting the palm of my hand on my right groin. They had to lean on my groin to make it stop bleeding. Then they took me to the room. I was laying there, you know. Chaplain come in, looking for someone to pray over. And I said, hey, I covet your prayer. We talked. She prayed. Then I told her about something that happened to me in 2014 when I was in the hospital. I'd seen an angel standing behind the chaplain who was praying over me. Well, I say I saw him. I saw the Romulan ship cloaked, fuzzy outline. But I knew. I mean, the Romulans don't cloak their ships in the form of an angel standing there with his wings folded. So, anyway, she went to the guy in the next bed to pray over him in a little voice. Look at your groin. So I did. Blood pulled up under the little bandage they put there, and running down between my thigh and my middle parts, okay? And it took 45 minutes of nurses in, trading off, holding my femoral artery to get it to stop bleeding. Apparently, sometimes people's femoral arteries, if they've accessed them too many times, get problematic in the closure. Now, I've lost track of how many angiograms I've had since 2005. You know, a lot of them. A whole lot of them. Anyway, any of you out there want to discount the power of God to heal you? Well, I feel sorry for you, because he probably won't. Then again, if you do ask, he can, and he will. Anyway, good night from California. Now, since this is a heart health video, if you're smoking, stop. If you're fat, go on a diet. It's too late to pick your parents for not having disposition towards heart disease. That's too late. You've missed that boat. But stop smoking. Lose weight. And if you have any doubt at all, let me zoom this out. If you have any doubt at all about the health of this thing here, go see a doctor. It may be expensive, you think. Well, would you rather be dead? Think about it real hard. Anyway, good night from California. Stop smoking, go on a diet, see a cardiologist, get vaccinated, wear a mask, start wearing gloves. It's a dirty world, and there are all kinds of filthy people out there spreading their crappy little fingerprints all over, and you can't see them. You don't want to bring that stuff home. Okay? Good night from California.